right, we are starting off with some chopped pecans in my greased muffin tin. Perfect. Now I'm gonna come in with my apple pie filling, and we're gonna take a few of these slices and place it right on top of those pecans, just like so. This is gonna be a super easy and super delicious apple dessert. It's so quick and you barely need any ingredients. It's just 3 ingredients and you have such a yummy and delicious treat. And I don't know about you guys, but I love apple pie filling. It is just my favorite pie filling because it is just cinnamony and makes me feel warm inside. Okay, so we have our first 2 ingredients. Now for our final and best ingredient, we have this brand new apple cinnamon bread batter that I found at Walmart today. And I was so excited. I knew I had to use this for my recipe. We're gonna go ahead and cut that top off just like so. Make sure it doesn't get into our food. Oopsie. Okay, we have this nice and opened, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some gloves on. Okay, so now we can go ahead and just take a little bit of this batter and place it right into our muffin tin just like this. So easy and so delicious. We're gonna have the most yummy apple cinnamon bread muffins. And it's gonna have that crunch from the pecans, a little gooiness from the apple pie filling. Oh my, I absolutely love how this batter is smelling. It smells exactly how you would want. Okay, let's go ahead and finish up these muffin tins. You could obviously do this in a loaf pan, use the same 3 ingredients and just put this whole entire thing in the loaf pan. But you guys know I love my individual servings. So we're going ahead and we're splitting up this entire package into 12 muffin holes. All right, these look ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Oh my house smells incredible. Okay, let's go ahead and put these to the side. Let them cool for just a second. While it cools, we're gonna bring in the best ice cream, Tillamook, and we are gonna grab our plate and fork so we can get ready to eat our apple bread muffins. Okay, get a generous scoop. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Okay, and what goes great with apple? Some caramel. Okay, it is time for the reveal, what we've all been waiting for. Okay, these are little upside down breads, so it is time to flip these onto our cutting board. 3. Woo! Okay, we missed a little bit, but that's fine.
That's right, I always miss.
Oh my gosh, they look so good. Look at those. Okay, let's get these babies in their rightful spots. Don't they look incredible?
Oh, they smell and look amazing. Good job.
Thank you. I mean, I know I could have taken them out each individually, but you guys know this is the fastest way. Okay, I'm gonna take this one because it looks the most perfect. Look at that. The ice cream, the caramel, the pecans. Go ahead. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm not sharing, you guys. Sorry, this is all mine.
Hey, what about me?